In this talk, the basic concept is about purpose of control. So the keywords that you need to keep in mind are variability, and control. So first we'll take a day-to-day example of driving a car. So suppose you are driving on a scenic mountain road. So this axis you can take it as length or time. So meaning that as time passes, you'll be at a different location. So time and location can be considered the same way. And if this is the elevation of the road, and the elevation is changing something like this, and you're driving a car here, if you choose not to do anything with the gas flow, so what you're trying to do, you're trying to keep your gas flow constant. What do you think will happen to the speed of the car? So with this elevation, you can think of, if you do not change the gas flow, your car speed going to be something like this. Now, is it okay for you? You're driving on a road with a certain speed. If the speed changes in this way, is it okay? So what might happen that if the speed, there is a limit. So this is the speed limit. So you may go beyond the speed limit if you do not do anything with the gas flow. So now if you do not want to go beyond the speed limit, what you may do, you may choose to run at a lower gas flow, and your speed will be something like this within the limit. Now think of these two situations here. Now your average speed may be somewhere here. And if you are running the previous condition, so your average speed may be somewhere there. So now you see that you're to maintain that, okay, you do not want to go beyond the speed limit. You have to reduce the gas flow in a way, but your average speed will be much less, and it will take more time to go from one place to another. So this is the situation which we'll consider to be no control. So under no control scenario, your gas flow does not change, but your speed is varying widely, and it may go beyond the speed limit. And if you choose to stay within the speed limit, you may have to reduce the speed in a way and maintain the gas flow at a lower rate so that you do not go beyond the limit. But that will cost you that, okay, your average speed will be low, and you will have to spend more time in traveling from one place to another. Now, what typically we do? So you can think about that if you chose to that you will change the gas flow in a way that your speed is maintained. So what you can do, you may maybe, depending on the road condition, you may want to increase the or decrease the gas flow. That will give you the speed to be changed with less variability, and you may want to still avoid the condition for going beyond the speed limit. Still you are maintaining a certain speed limit which is close to the maximum speed that you can go. So this condition, that's what we really often do, and this condition you can consider this to be what is called this manual control. Now what else can you do? You can think of if you really put your car on a cruise control. So in that case, you are allowing your car's control system to manipulate the gas flow in a way that your car speed is maintained within the limit, but maybe with less variability in the speed. So what you are able to maintain here, you are able to maintain an average speed which is close to the maximum speed so that your travel time reduces. Now, this is one aspect of control. So you can think about again going back to the concept that when you have no control, you have no variability in the gas flow, but you have large variability in the speed limit of the car. Now under manual control, you may have some variability in the gas flow and you have still less variability in the speed of the car. And under cruise control, maybe you have more variability in the gas flow, but much less variability in the speed of the car. So this is one aspect control, and this is control is more or less a significant part of control is about reducing the variability where you really cannot afford or cannot allow. So in that case, is the car speed that really you care about the car speed, that okay, you do not want to have a wide variability in the car speed, but if your variability in the gas flow, you can really afford that, you can really allow that. You will not care much about what is the variability in the gas flow. So that's one aspect of control, is that you really transfer the variability from one variable where you cannot allow to another variable where you can allow. Now, this is one aspect. Another aspect may be that if you are moving through the road and suppose your desired speed, or you can say for this case, I can say this is the speed limit. If the speed limit changes from, you're going from the regular township road to the highway, the speed limit changes from 60 to 80, but still you do not want to travel at the same speed. So you want your car speed to change according to the speed limit for the given condition. So if that's the case, your control system should be able to take from there and somewhere go there where the speed limit is maintained. So this is another aspect that okay, the speed limit may change. So in that case, you should be your car control system should be able to take the car from the initial speed to the final speed very quickly. So these are two aspects that when you have something else that's affecting your the value of the desired variable that you still want to maintain. In other cases, the desired value of the variable may change and the control system should be able to take it to that level. So this is one of the example that we'll be talking about, and using the example, I just wanted to clarify the idea that okay, the control aspect is more about transferring the variability from one variable where you cannot afford to another variable